Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fade from one video to another using keyframes in the CapCut. So in here, you can just prepare the clips that you want to edit. You can add clips or more. And after that, here you can just adjust playhead on where you want to start the sequence. Example in here. And put the second clips aligned with the playhead. So let's move it to the top, just like this. And now you can just add frame. You can go to basic and add a keyframe under the blend in here. Add keyframe at the start of the second clip and add the end of the first clip in here, align with at the end of the first clip. Add another keyframe. Now go back to the first keyframe and adjust the opacity to 0. And now click on the first clip or on the main track and add the same frames the two again. This the one at the start of the second clip and at the end. Now at the end in here at the second keyframe, adjust the opacity to 0. You are done. So this is the fade effect. The result. So the first clip will start slow. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.